Hello, everybody. Let's take a look at a couple of trades I made today in gold and also in crude. So today the profit was actually $303. I was up 490, but then the last trade I made, I took a loss. So let's go through all the trades I made and what is the rationale and why I took them. So let's check first in gold. So there's overnight there were a couple of levels that I was interested in. This 1823 in gold in the point and figure. You see here there is a resistance at 1823, right? There is a resistance there. So I was looking at it. And then also there was this 1820 that was also a resistance in this congestioner. Let me move it a little bit here so you can see it a little bit better. Let's move that one too. So this is the level right there, right? 1820. Right there, 1820. And in this higher level, 1823. So those were areas of break. So the 1820 actually broke right there. I didn't take any trade, and that was probably a mistake. It was right when the market, the ghost market for gold open. That would have been a good trade for $100. I did take this break on 1823. Was a higher pivot actually, and so I trusted it a little bit much more than the previous one because I thought it was going to go to R1. However, it came back and it stopped me out for a loss of $80. Then it bounced back again over the 1823, and I took that trade, and this one was good for $100 on the first lot. Then it went up and came back, and probably around 110 is what I sold here, 110 or 120. Okay, so that was the other one. Let's put that level there. Now it came back, bounced again, and it broke this out of the cloud, and again on the same level here that I was looking at, 1823. So for me it was another break, and I was wrong again. So 120 minus. So this is a loss of 120. And then it broke again. So it tried to. It was kind of fighting this resistance level, and I was kind of trying to push it up, or trying to make trades out of that bullish sentiment I had. So that one there was for two lots, $210. And then I didn't do anything else. It was actually went all the way to 1828, which is this level up here, but I was not taking anymore. It was a little bit, slow, choppy, and then nothing happened until the end of the day. And then at the end of the day, this is where I took the hit of $200. I saw that this formation here breaking out of this congestion and tried to move up at the 1826 level. And I got a loss again, $200 there. Okay, so those were the trades in gold. Let's look at a couple of the ones I made in Crude. So Crude here, I was looking at this level right there, 82.59. And I took this one right in there when it broke, but it stopped me out. So ran out of stops right there. And so I entered it at this one tick there, and when it came back, I sold it. So $147 loss. Then it started to move down. And then I was looking at this level here, which is this level 81.94. 81.96, something like that. 81.96 actually, which is 81.95. Yeah, right below these levels here. And then this trend broke it. So I didn't take it up here, which is this level, right? I took it right down below that one. Probably a little bit riskier because it it was a long run from up here all the way down, right? But I took it, and then I made $100 in this first lot, and then it came back. I didn't sell it here. I should have sold it there, but I was a little bit. It was a little bit early, and I got confused, and I sold it right there when it came back. But it's still a $40 profit. Then I took this reversal, so it started to bounce in the range, and then moving in here. So I was looking at actually, let's use this level here. I was looking at that level, and then when it broke, if you see here the blue dot, I took that one for $100, and then it came back, and I sold this one for 30. And then when it came back again, I took it, and then I sold this one for $100, and then the other one like at break even, $100. And that's what I did. Nothing else. So all of these trades were actually early in the morning, before 9 a.m. And then Crude didn't do that much. There were some, bounce back and forth, and very very choppy, messy. Didn't do that much until the end of the day. This one probably would have been a good reversal as well. I didn't take it. It was already a little bit late. So very, very messy, choppy day. You see here, it was actually a very range day, and in here it was, very messy as well. Very choppy day. I think I like it to have a 303. I was at 490. And when I took the last hit at 200, I was kind of saying, okay, I knew that I didn't have to take it.